Hi, I'm Elly Lark. Leg strength is super important, not just for gymnastics, but for everyday movement like walking, running, dancing, and jumping. Doing leg workouts daily can improve your balance, flexibility, and coordination while helping you feel more energized and confident. These exercises are simple and fun, making them perfect for kids, teens, or anyone looking to stay fit at home. Whether you're just starting or already active, this routine will help you grow stronger every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome workouts and gymnastics fun with me.